Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ways to earn money worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets and we have some problems on different ways to earn money, and we're asked to solve each problem. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. So if you go to the last slide, if you click on the link provided, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So I'll leave this particular slide on for about 1 minute before I move on to the next one, and by all means pause the video whenever you want. Okay, I'll go to the next slide now. By all means, pause this one for as long as you like. So here is the second slide. Similar types of problems, just with different numbers. And I will leave this on for 1 minute before we go to the last slide. Okay, I'll go on to the last slide now, and by all means you can pause this slide for as long as you want. Here we go on to the last slide.